when we were thinking about where we'd like to retire, we were mostly driven by the desire to work with an architect and design a house. That's been a lifelong dream, I would say.
I like being in a place where there's a strong sense of community. So I like that it's close to the river. I like that it's close to the university. So we found a lot that was more or less on the parkway on the west bank and just checked all the boxes, basically. My idea for a house in a city would be sort of an urban jewel box. The jewel box having to do with something that has transparency that you can see into, that light can come into, that you can see out of. I think that's more or less what we ended up with as far as the design and what's being built. I don't know a lot about architecture, but I know kind of what I like, and I have a pretty strong aesthetic sensibility. The work of a number of contemporary architects, Tom Kundig in particular, always appealed to me. I liked the way he integrated houses into the landscape and incorporated what you see from the house. What does the house look out upon? We're looking forward to having a house that just basically lets us live comfortably, and a big part of that is having a way to connect to the outdoors. And so windows, are the way to do that.
Working with the homeowners for the Minneapolis residents on the river has really been fun to kind of see how it's developed and how we've engaged the site. The house has a very unique layout where Olson Kundig has brought the living space to the second level, which has kind of put them up in this canopy of the trees. So in the summertime, you're going to be amongst all the leaves and the birds and the animals. And then in the fall and the winter, those leaves are going to drop and we're going to start to see more of an expansive view of that river parkway. What stood out to me was the opportunity to control and operate an awning window that was out of reach. The Marvin Connected Home allows airflow to be automated and controlled. And so this will allow us to have accessibility on the wall where the homeowners can easily control the ventilation needs. By keeping the awning windows up high and using the Marvin Connected product, we're able to eliminate any additional horizontal expressions, which really preserved the design intent without a lot of extra materials.
Right now the windows are actually installed throughout the house, and we are actually we've wiring it for it now. So we're going to automate the windows with the shades and the lighting control. So when they wanted to open a window, we can have it open the shade at the same time so that it lets the air in. And when they would like, we can have the window close and the shade come down at the same time. And this is all operated off of a keypad from the lighting control. I think the technology itself has made things simpler. Just to open the windows, you can hit one button and you can open all 6 windows. Rather than trying to run around to 6 different locations, you can open all 6 windows at one time. We have possibilities to do more shades, do more windows, do more automation. So the possibilities literally are endless.
I mean, it's been really interesting to see the site go from this kind of overgrown side yard to a cleared site, to an excavated site, to a site with a foundation, then kind of a frame going up, and now it's actually starting to look like a house. And so just seeing that evolution has been really interesting, and it will continue, as we come back a few more times before hopefully things wrap up this fall.